Hello everyone, this is Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on Aryan Tutorials, where in this video I'll be taking up your next transformation structure. But before I get started, let me tell you, if you are liking my content and the way I'm teaching, and if you find any quality in my videos that I'm curating, especially for ISC students, then I would recommend you and advise you that you should not be missing out on this chance. Go and get yourselves enrolled into the sample papers which I have curated. They are board oriented, they are council oriented, and teachers would be looking at those kind of questions which I have taken enormous amount of time to draft. The answer solution and the live videos for that will be taken up on my application itself from 7th February onwards. And we have sample papers available in two category. One is a combined sample paper and notes, which is for just 799 rupees. So rather than just going for notes separately and sample paper separately, you can take a combo which is at 799. A lot of students have already enrolled themselves. Do not miss this opportunity out. This is your last chance. Or else, if you want just the sample papers, then you can purchase that too from my application at rupees 499. Okay, from 7th February the answers will go live. I'll be taking up live discussion pertaining to each and every MCQ, give reasons and short answer and long answer question as well. So chalo, without much ado, let's get going quickly with the transformation part, where today we are going to cover up the last two structure which was left on my end to be completed, that is sentences with little and never. ठीक है? Please bear one thing in mind, that whenever you're starting transforming sentences with little or never, they both are negative in its nature. So you have to make use of the helping verb first, then followed by the subject, and then your remaining clause of the sentence. So the helping verbs which you can make use of while transforming your sentence with little are do, does or did, and then your subject will come alongside. आपको याद होना चाहिए कि मैंने बताया था, whenever you make use of the helping verb do, does or did, your main verb has to be in its present form. ठीक है? Helping verb अगर do, does, did होगा, if you're making use of helping verb do, does or did, your main verb has to be in its present form, V1 form. So let's do the question, we'll understand better. Sabse pehle, first thing first, you have to identify the tense of the question. For example, he did not know how to overcome his problems. Did है, so it is in the past tense. बोल के हम लोग जब little से शुरू करेंगे तो हम लोग did का ही इस्तेमाल करेंगे as a helping verb over here. So answer would be little, did, and then your subject. Who's the subject? Subject is he, so it will be little did he know. इसको गलती से knows मत कर दीजिएगा, incorrect हो जाएगा. इसको गलती से भी knew मत कर दीजिएगा, incorrect हो जाएगा. It has to be little did he know. ठीक है? Little did he know, and then just copy paste the remaining part of the clause. Little did he know how to overcome his problems, followed by a full stop. Don't forget the punctuation, otherwise you'll be marked incorrect. Second one, they do not understand the gravity of the situation. Do not understand है, it's present tense में है. Do या does हम लोग present tense में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. However, depending upon subject, if subject is plural, then we make use of do as a helping verb. If the subject is singular, like the manager, singular subject, then we make use of does as a helping verb. So they do not understand. Little do they understand the gravity of the situation. ठीक है? Little do they understand the gravity of the situation. The manager does not appreciate his employees. Little does the manager appreciate. It will be appreciate. Do not make it appreciates. Incorrect. Does है, does के साथ base form of verb लगता है without s या es. So little does the manager appreciate his employees. ठीक है, full stop. This is how you transform your structure with little. Now coming to the next one and the last one, क्योंकि इसके बाद जितने sentences हैं वो सारे conditional होते हैं एंड आपको अपना खुद का दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करने के लिए. वो जब मैं लाइव में आके कराऊंगा तब मैं आपको पूरी कैसे किया जाता है समझा दूंगा उसका लॉजिक. ठीक है. नेवर, sentences beginning with never, that is also a negative. उसके साथ भी helping verb का इस्तेमाल होता है. And what are the possible helping verbs which can be placed with never? It is has, have, had, did, does, do, and then your subject, and then उसके साथ ever लगाते हैं. बहुत सारे sentences में ever लगाना भी optional है. अगर आप नहीं भी लगाते हो तो भी चल जाते हैं, but अगर आप ever लगाते हो, that is the standard structure of the sentence. Never has he ever, never did she ever, in that way. ठीक है. So let's take up each and every sentence quickly. She has never visited. It is in the present perfect tense. तो उसी को हम लोग इस्तेमाल करेगा. Never has she, your subject, ever, never has she ever visited a foreign country in her life. ठीक है. Never has she ever visited a foreign country in her life. I have never seen such a beautiful sight before. So never have I ever seen. So जो भी helping verb question में होगा उसी को आप borrow कर लेगा never के साथ. Never have I ever seen such a beautiful sight before. Full stop. ठीक है. Never have I ever seen such a beautiful sight before. Next one. He had never faced such a difficult situation before. So it will be never, borrow the had, never had he ever faced such a difficult situation before, followed by a full stop. She never understood his true intention. Understood, it is simple past tense. And for questions having simple past tense, we make use of the helping verb did. Has, have, had का फिर had का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, perfect form का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. So she never understood, never did she. अब बच्चे इसमें क्या गलती करेंगे? Never did she understood. That is incorrect. Whenever we are making use of do, does, did, main verb, first form. So never did she understand. Never did she ever. Ever is optional. लगाना है लगाओ, नहीं लगाना है तो भी चलेगा. Never did she ever understand his true intentions. Followed by a full stop. ठीक है. He never makes. It is simple present tense. He never makes such careless mistakes. Never does he ever make होगा, makes मत कर दीजिएगा, incorrect हो जाएगा. ठीक है. does का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, V1 यूज होगा without S या ES. So never does he ever make such careless mistakes. And the last one is they never behave in such an irresponsible manner. They subject है तो यहां पे ये भी आपका प्रेजेंट में दिया है. they never behave, it's in the simple present, so it will be never do लगेगा. अब पूछो do क्यों लगेगा? क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट आपका प्लूरल है, सिंगुलर नहीं है, इसीलिए. so never do they ever behave. Don't make it behaves, it will be incorrect. Ever behave in such an irresponsible manner, full stop. So that is how you transform. And I hope this video helps and all your structures would have been cleared up till now. If you're liking my content, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel with your friends, where ARYAN Thakkar brings out quality content associated with ISC English, Economics and Commerce. Stay tuned. Keep smiling, keep studying. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.